I'm making cannoli dip with cottage cheese today. Cheese, cottage cheese, powdered sugar, chocolate chips, vanilla, and ice cream cones if you need for dip. That was cream cheese, which I like the salt. Actually, just get a paper towel because I have it. You probably should use it too. And next I'm going to use cottage cheese. I'm going to do vanilla powdered sugar next. And I'll do chocolate chips last. And if you're too little to do it, ask the grown-ups to help with the vanilla. Like I did before I started the video again. There's spoons. Now I'm going to mix it next. Does that look good? To do this, but I'm old enough to do it by myself, just so you guys know. Next, we're going to be adding the chocolate chips. In the cottage cheese, you're supposed to have 1 cup, and this you're supposed to have 2 to 3 cups.
2/3.
2/3 cups.
Mix it up.
And now we're going to mix. Can you fast it while I'm doing it?
Just turn it.
It looks like at the end. It comes to dip them in the dip. So first you do this. You can break them up more.
You don't want small. Okay, now try your dip.
And now I'm going to try it.